Good morning and welcome to my online classes. Today the topic for our discussion and study is the chapter The Enemy, which I have taken from a religious book Vistas, and this beautiful story is written by Paul S. Bach. So this is very interesting story which gives us a strong message that on the grounds of humanity we can also provide hospitality, love and care to our enemies too. So this story is set during 1941. As we know, Second World War started from 1939 to 1945. So during 1941, America and Japan both are fighting against each other. So in this story, there are some 10 important characters. The first one is Dr. Sadao, who is a surgeon and also a scientist. His wife, Hannah. Third important character is Tom, who is a wounded soldier, a wounded American soldier. And the fourth is General, and the fifth important character is Yumi. So Hannah is Dr. Sadao's wife. Tom is American soldier, American naval soldier. General, who is very selfish, and Yumi is manservant, who was working in the house of Dr. Sadao. So this is a heart-rending story which is a portrayal of man's heart and mind. So Dr. Sadao faces a conflict where he faces a dilemma to whether he must treat this American soldier as ethics of his medical profession, or he must hand it over that soldier to the army as a loyalty to his country. So torn between his duty and loyalty, finally Dr. Sadao, with the kind support of his wife Hannah, decided to treat this American soldier. So this is a very beautiful story where we will see how Dr. Sadao saved this dying soldier. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese doctor who got his education in America, and it is the place where he happened to meet with Hannah, and then both fell in love with each other and decided to marry. But here, Dr. Sadao is also very obedient and faithful towards his father. So before loving Hannah, he was much worried about the country or about the caste of Hannah, as he knew that his father, who is a very strict person, will not accept his daughter-in-law from any other tribe. So finally, when Dr. Sadao knew that Hana is also a Japanese, so then they both decided to get married, and they were married in Japan with their traditional rituals. Tom in this story is also an important character, which is American soldier. And one day when both Dr. Sadao and Hana, they were just walking, they were standing on the balcony of their house. They saw something moving in the foggy environment, atmosphere. They see someone moving like a ghost. But when they realize that he is a man who is in need of help, so they both ran towards Tom. But as soon as Dr. Sadao realized that he is an American soldier, he was in a conflict that whether he must hand over this wounded soldier to the army or he must treat him, because that dying soldier was in dire need of immediate first aid. So at the beginning he was repentant because he was much loyal to his country, Japan, and he was acting as a doctor serving the Japanese troops. So when all the doctors were sent to serve the troops to the wounded soldiers, Dr. Sadao was not allowed to move out of the country because at that time he was taking care of the general's health. So the general, being selfish, did not allow Dr. Sadao to move out. And he was also a scientist because at that time he was researching on how can we heal the wounds of those soldiers quickly. So Dr. Sadao was not allowed to move, and he was retained only to take care of the general's health. Yumi is the maid servant of the house, but when she saw, nearly all the servants of the house, when they discovered that Dr. Sadao and Hana, they were treating the enemy soldiers, all of them boycotted and left the house. Nobody helped Dr. Sadao in operating Tom. So as they considered himself Tom as their enemy, then finally Hana decided to help her husband, and gradually, day by day, Tom recovered his health and became fit to move. Then Dr. Sadao, as a loyalty to his country, decided to inform about Tom to the general. So now, as the general was selfish, so he suggested Dr. Sadao not to keep this secret, confine the secret to himself and the governor. And he promised Dr. Sadao that he will send his personal security personnel to kill Tom, and his dead body will be buried secretly. But because of his ill health, the general failed to keep his promise, and he forgot to send his security personnel or soldiers to kill Tom. So finally, Dr. Sadao, on the grounds of humanity, decided to release Tom, and he finally arranged a boat and filled the boat with a lot of food and directed Tom to stay away in a deserted island and to find help from the Korean ships, and finally Tom was safely escaped. So thus we see that Dr. Sadao, being a kind-hearted man, finally saved the life of an enemy. So he, as a doctor, he was able to maintain the ethics of his medical profession, and he was able to save the life of the enemy, and also he has shown his loyalty towards his nation, because he had already informed the general about Tom, about his identity, but the general, because of his selfish nature, he did not reveal this secret news to anyone else. So this all is about the as an introduction or summary of the nation. So we will go through the story in the next video. Have a good day.